Hi, I'm Brian Ward, founder and CEO of Quality Roofing, based here in Pensacola, Florida. At Quality Roofing, we specialize in both residential and commercial, both repair and replacement services. We've been in business since 2006. I got my start in the roofing industry shortly after Hurricane Ivan. After spending a couple of years on the roof, hands-on, I bore witness to a multitude of instances where there was subpar workmanship, and it really didn't sit right with me. When I decided to go out on my own and start my own company, that was one of the building blocks, part of the foundation that I wanted to build my company on. And it was a focus then and remains a focus today to make sure that we're providing quality workmanship for every customer we have. I think there's actually a lot of things that separate or differentiate Quality Roofing from our competitors. The biggest differentiator would likely be our willingness to make things right. The reality of it is construction, and not every project is going to go perfectly as planned. It's the nature of it. But our willingness to stand behind what we said we're going to do and follow through and make things right, even when things didn't go exactly the way that we had planned, I think really that's what differentiates us. Some of the reasons that buyers and sellers might choose Quality Roofing and prefer to work with us, we offer a handful of different benefits. The first of those being the ability to pay at closing. So anytime we contract with someone who has a definitive contract with a defined closing date, then we can accept those proceeds at closing rather than requiring a down payment. If you're military, then we do offer military discounts. If you're a real estate agent, we offer pre-listing inspections. Rather than listing the property and then finding out at some point later on through an inspection that a roof is going to be a requirement in order for this property to close, you can call us out ahead of time. We'll do a pre-listing inspection, identify the need, and if that need exists, then we can go ahead and have the roof completely taken care of before that ever becomes an issue that ultimately delays closing, which can impact not only the realtor, but also their customer's experience. One of the other things that really differentiates Quality Roofing is our adoption and use of technology. Ultimately, all of this is driven by our desire to improve our customers' experience. One of the things that's really cool, we have the ability through photos to render a complete 3D model of your home, and not just a sticks and stones 3D model. This is a full color accurate, material accurate 3D rendering of your home. You can spin, turn, twist, and look at your home from every different angle. What's more is you have the ability to exchange different types of roof materials, siding materials, window grids, just really the whole gamut for the exterior of your home. If you were considering doing a redesign, or you just want to make sure that the new color that you're choosing for your roof is going to look great, then this is a really powerful piece of technology that we employ and we love to deliver to our customers. One of the things that I feel like is really super unique about Quality Roofing is the quality of our people. We have made it one of the most intentional things that we do day in and day out is to really pour into and invest into our team. At the same time, also be super intentional about the people that we bring on board. And through those efforts, it is incredibly evident that that ultimately impacts our customers' experience. We have a team of just fantastic people, and we're always looking to add more to that team. You can reach us at 850-777-0961 or find us online at qualityroofingsolutions.com. So come check us out at the Home Sweet Home Block Party. This is on July 27th at the Museum Plaza in downtown Pensacola. See you there.